Alright guys, are you guys ready to find out what the name is? In 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be recording a video. I did a poll on my Instagram and I asked you guys whether you wanted to see a clothing haul or you would rather see a video of us explaining our names, name choices and why. So the name video won, but don't worry, for those of you that did vote for a clothing haul, I already did make the video last week, so all it needs to do is just be edited. So you shall see that one next. Anyway, this is not going to really be a video explaining the names and why we like them. It's going to be more so explaining why we're having such a hard time naming her. So let's just jump right into it. And FYI, it's like 1 o'clock in the morning and I'm super tired, so if I'm not that exciting, I'm sorry. Okay, so like after Charlie, of course, like, you know, me being a girl and everything, I've always had like just names in the back of my head of like what I want my future children's names to be. I've always liked the name Avery. I've always liked the name Penelope, and I've always liked the name Parker. Like those were like my top 3 names. Like after Charlie, I'm like, okay, that's what we're gonna choose. Well, my husband hates the name Penelope, and he wasn't too fond of Parker either. And Avery, like he really liked Avery. We both really liked Avery. I've been saying for like years that, you know, ever since we started talking about like having kids or whatever one day, that our baby's name was going to be Avery. And right, that's a cute name, right? It's cute. Everybody loves it, and we called her Avery for like the longest time ever, and we were pretty settled on it. And I even got like a little sign made to hang on the wall that says her name, and we were gonna like spray paint it and make it super cute and everything. Then like I stopped and I thought about it, because we have a niece named Ava, and then my sister's name is Ava. So I don't like to, like, everything that I do, I want to be super different. Hence the name Charlie. I love boy names for girls, and I love different names. I love trendy names. I don't like anything that's like everybody else and sounds like original. I hate like classic like names. I don't like them. And my husband is like total opposite. Like the names that he was like trying to find and like pick out were like, no offense, I love him, but no. And so I just can't name our baby Avery when we already have Ava. Like it's just too close. And I love the name Ava, don't get me wrong, but it's just too close, and there's no originality. It feels like there's no originality with our name that we choose because of that. So I don't like Avery, even though everyone calls her Avery still, because that's what we told everyone. And my husband is like super set on Avery, and I don't like it. His first suggestion though in names was Isabella, and I'm like, oh, absolutely not. No offense to any of you that have babies out there named Isabella. Isabella is a beautiful name, but it's just not a name that I personally want to choose for my daughter. Again, it's a very classic name. It's such a common name. Like when you look at like the top 5 most common names in the world, Isabella is like number 2, and I just don't like that. Like I want something more trendy. So I kind of hopped back on the Parker bandwagon, and he has shut me down every single time. He hates it. Parker's for a boy, blah 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 blah. But I like that. And then I just recently started, maybe a few weeks ago. God, I look terrible. A few weeks ago, liking the name Blake, and I think it is so cute. And yes, of course, it's a more boyish name for a girl, but again, I like boy names for girls. And I'm pretty set on the name Blake. I really like it, and you know, as a compromise, I did tell him, because he loves the name Isabella, so as a compromise I'm like, okay, well, how about we just give her Isabella as her middle name, because like Charlie's middle name is Grace, so she has a super girly, like, feminine name, and then she has a more masculine first name, and I think that's like a good alternative, because when she grows up, and if she doesn't like her more masculine name, she can always go by the name Grace, and I call her Grace all the time. Grace, Gracie, all sorts of names. She literally has like 27. But yeah, so yeah, basically we are kind of in between the name Avery and Blake. So that's like, we don't know. We know her middle name is going to be Isabella, but that's it. So I want to know what you guys think, now that I feel like I've put this poll up on Instagram, and it's almost been like 50-50 every single time, but I feel like you guys didn't know like the background story of why I didn't want to name her Avery, and so now that you know, I want to know what your feedback is. What do you guys think? Maybe some other cute name suggestions. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know if you guys have any other comments or suggestions for me. Don't forget to leave some of your name ideas down below in the comment box, because I would love to hear them, especially because I literally search name websites all day long, so hearing some of your suggestions would be amazing. Love you guys. Bye.